Unit 9. All is not lost. Short view. This lesson is about noble profession of nursing. In this lesson, the author highlights the importance of nursing profession. The lesson tells us how the sincere efforts and strong determination of a nurse saves a patient from near crippling stage. Now move to first paragraph. I read the paragraph and also tells you the meanings of difficult words. Reading. It was the beginning of my profession as a nurse. I worked in the intensive care unit of neurology ward. As a young professional, I wished to save the world. I was excited to see patients making quick recoveries from devastating accidents. Yet I was pained to nurse those who were struck with acute neurological disorder. Meanings of difficult words. Neurology means study of nerves and nerve cells. Recoveries mean to return to a normal state of health, mind, and strength. Devastating means shocking, upsetting. Acute means intense, severe effect. Disorder means disturbance of a normal body process. Now, explanation of this paragraph. This paragraph tells us about a newly appointed nurse, Rahila. She was working in intensive care unit of neurology ward. As a young professional, she has enthusiastic approach for her patient. Rahila started her profession as a nurse in the intensive care unit of neurology ward. She was very excited and wished to save the world. She was excited to see the patient making quick recoveries. She feels pain for those patients who suffer from severe neurological disorder. Now we move to the second paragraph. Reading. One day, standing at the bedside of young bus accident victim, I wondered if she could make the same recovery as others. Hira had received severe head and spinal injuries as she was hit by a speeding bus while crossing a bus road. I took her lifeless arm in my hand and tried to do several exercises on her, but in vain. Also, I made her younger sister come and talk to her, thinking that the voice of a near and dear one might activate the nearly dead neurons. She could see but not talk. Her eyes showed a certain helplessness. I could read her mind through her eyes. Perhaps she wanted to say, "Please help me." The meanings of the difficult words. First word is victim. Victim means injured person, a person who injured in accident. Severe means intense. Lifeless means insensible, having no life. In vain means useless. Several, many. Activate, to make active. Helplessness, unable to act without help. Explanation. One day, one day a badly injured patient, Hira was brought in her ward. Hira took severe head and spinal injuries. She was hit by a speedy bus while crossing the road. At first, all the efforts made by Rahila seems to be useless on Hira's lifeless arm. Hira also tried to provoke her nervous system psychologically. Hira asked her younger sister, come and talk to her. She did so because she thought that her sister's voice would make Hira's nerve cells activate. Hira can see but cannot talk. Her eyes seems to convey a message. Please help her.